Hello and welcome to CGScan's IndieGOGO campaign. CGScan is a software which our team currently is developing for creating procedurally generated assets. Those assets can be used for games, cinema, and as well for visualizations. We started our research and development stage about a year ago, and so far we've been prototyping how exactly procedurally we can generate content from scanned data. Our team has been collecting both architectural and as well scanned data information for different type of architectures, structures, and also buildings and how people are building those buildings in different ages. And we are going to use this data for building the base of our software. By supporting our IndieGOGO campaign, you are going to help us build our tools and create our software. We are going to use the funding for expanding our team. But meanwhile, while we are developing the software, we also want to give you something in return. This is why our team designed modular asset packs, which are going to be available later this year. Those packages of assets can be used for building either game scenes or cinematics, or as well visualizations. They are high quality assets that can be used in software like 3D Studio Max, Maya, Blender, Cinema 4D, Unreal, or Unity. The progress of our development and how everything is going can be followed either on our update page for our IndieGOGO campaign, or it can be followed on our webpage cg-scan.com. Thank you for considering supporting our development. We are happy to have you in the CGScan family.